You've got a forest and you've got a garden. What's the difference between the two? Both have things that grow, but in the forest it's wild, uncontrolled, random. Plants grow wherever, however. No direction, no intention. But a garden? A garden is beautiful, on purpose, because someone planned it. Someone lined things up, planted with purpose, pruned, protected, and fenced it in. It's not just growing, it's growing with design. Now listen, for many of you, your life is a forest. You're all over the place. There's no structure, no intention. That's why you're not where you want to be. That's why you're not achieving what you want to achieve. You're hoping success will happen to you, but it won't. Success is not random. It's deliberate. You might start strong on Monday, but by Wednesday, you've lost direction. You're waiting for the best to happen, but the best doesn't just happen. You have to make it happen. Everything that looks good to you isn't good for you. I've learned that to reach greatness, you've got to pass up on good. Some opportunities might look good. Good pay, good perks. But they're not your path. I'd rather stay true to my purpose than chase a paycheck. That's why some of you aren't winning. You think every opportunity is for you, but not every open door leads where you're meant to go. You've got to get to your spot. Do what you were born to do. Because when you walk in your purpose, you don't just move, you rise. Winners don't focus on not losing, they focus on winning. Every single day they wake up and decide, today I win. You need to make your 24 hours intentional. You need to be strategic. Be deliberate about what time you wake up, what you eat, who you allow into your life, what you consume, what you read, what you watch, what you listen to. Be intentional. Be laser focused. Focus on this moment. Don't worry about tomorrow. Pour everything, your soul, your heart, your energy into today. Write things down. Reflect on your thoughts, your emotions, your progress. Take inventory of your life daily. Keep your vision in front of you. Picture your goal. Feel the moment you achieve it. Experience the victory in your mind before it becomes real. No one else can see your vision like you can. You've got to discipline your mind. Train it to concentrate. Tune out distractions. Focus. Be single-minded. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish when you lock in. When your eyes are on the prize, ideas come. Opportunities appear. The right people show up. But it starts with focus. When others are relaxing or partying, you've got to stay on your grind. Read, learn, improve. Stay in your lane. Stay on your path. I drive people crazy with how specific and bold my vision is. I'm unshakable. And that's uncomfortable for others. But that's the price of greatness. When you can see the invisible, you can do the impossible. Don't get caught up in the crowd. You're not regular, so don't act like you are. Stay out the clubs. Stay out the distractions. Stay in the books. Stay in the gym. Stay focused. You've got to finish what you start. Keep going even when it's hard. Even when your emotions shift. Even when the results aren't showing yet. Keep your eyes on the horizon. The life you want, it's in your hands. Grab the wheel and drive it. Ignore distractions. Don't answer every call. Don't follow every invite. Be obedient to your vision. Move with purpose. When your aim is clear, the path appears. You don't have to figure out the whole year. Just win today. Just complete the task for this day. Maybe that means sending one important email, getting your workout in, reading 10 pages of a book. Whatever it is, do it every single day. This is how you build excellence. This is how you create a life of purpose, a life of significance.